This marks history. Hello, Loc Lovers. It's me, Natty Ann. I want to tell you guys happy holidays. I hope you had a Merry Christmas filled with love and joy. Now, this pretty lady is my niece, and I'm so excited to share her with you today because she decided to start Locs. Yay! So none other than me, I'm the one that's doing the Locs. I am starting her journey for her, and I'm so happy and honored that she chose me. So I'll be taking care of my niece throughout this video, and I wanted to share it with you all because I just thought it would be interesting to see. Now, here's the fun fact. This was us last year. She got her Locs Christmas Eve of last year. So she's a year in. And if you watch all the way till the end, like I know you will, you'll get to see a short snippet of her journey thus far. So here we go. So this is Angelique. She decided to get Locs. She really didn't give me like so much information of how she wanted her Locs to look or anything. I just asked her like, what size you want? Like, what are you thinking? She was like, I just want like a medium-sized Locs. So, kind of on the smaller side. And I said, bet, I'm going to just do what works for your head. I'm going to do the brick parting. She was very easy. She just let me do my thing. So we decided on brick parting. Another question I asked her, which I thought was very important, was the front of her head. So the locks that are going to be framing her face. I asked her if she wanted to actually have a middle part, and she said yes. So I made sure to make a part down the middle of her head. So if she decided to actually rock a middle part with, locks flowing evenly to both sides, that would look right, And I also did her hair in the front where she can, flip it over to one side or flip it over to the other side, because I feel like us women, we like to experiment with face framing hair, right? So if you want that middle part look, you can have that. If you want the side part, you can have it without your locks kind of messing up that vibe. Y'all get me? Throughout this whole process, I just wanted to make sure that her hair was detangled properly and that her parts were nice and neat and even, right? And a good amount of hair was actually into a lock. I didn't want to make it too skinny. So as you can see, I'm just twisting. So we decided to go with the 2-strand twist method, and that's the same method that I started my hair with. And that's the method that I'm comfortable doing on other people. I've started so many heads, and I think I started every head with 2-strand twists. Yeah. I started every head with 2-strand twists. So you guys, if you're thinking about doing it, consider this method. I think it looks beautiful in the beginning. You walk out the chair with a style already, and you just watch it mature. You watch it, change. It gets fuzzy, it gets tight, it shrinks up, it gets shorter. It's just so interesting to see the progress with 2-strand twists. So I had my family around and we were all chit-chatting, so I'm going to let you guys in on a little of our conversation. So for context, my mom did an undercut on the back of her locks. She has sister locks, and she cut this a while ago. So that's a little background on the conversation that you're about to listen in a minute. Here we go.
I have my hair in a bag. Then I cut off and pull out there in a bag. And I plan to stitch it on, but wrap it back on.
Black people have like this weird attachment with their hair, man. You guys do? I love that little snippet because this is very personal. So, scenario, if you cut your locks and you save them for whatever reason, would you consider reattaching those locks? Now, for me, it's a no for me. I don't think I would reattach my hair. You know, I'll never say never, but I don't think I would for me. But I know a lot of people do that. I know a lot of people would do that. Tell me what your take is. What would you do? So accustomed to wearing other people's hair, like weave and extensions and all of that, that is normal, right? So why not, you know, reattach your own hair? What's the problem? I get that. I definitely get that. But I don't know. It's like once you decide to cut your locks off, for me, I don't think I would want to put it back on. And if I wanted locks again, I think I would want to start fresh. I don't know. Something to think about. Another lockhead in the family. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I am done with my niece's hair. Look at it. It's so gorgeous.
Just wait a couple of months. It's gonna be there.
Oil it up. Let me oil it up. It's so good. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah,
She said it's nice.
It already just looks like natural and like, yeah, I do that. All right, make some faces in the camera.
I don't know how to rock it now. I don't know how to
I guess
rock
when you do your face and you know, can you do any?
I can't. I don't think I could do like a throw over yet. Just gonna have to wait for all of that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do the air.
Don't tell me.
Angelique, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that your locks can be a constant reminder that you are growing and changing every day, and that is a beautiful journey. Love you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video and you're a lock lover like me, please subscribe to this channel for more.